After years of whispers and rumors, it's finally here. The return of a legend. The all-new 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS roars back into the spotlight, reborn, redefined, and ready to dominate. Is this the comeback muscle car fans have been waiting for? Or just another nameplate revival aimed at nostalgia? Buckle up. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the new Monte Carlo SS. Let's start with that bold exterior. One look at the 2026 Monte Carlo SS and you'll know Chevy didn't come to play. They fused retro flair with futuristic aggression. Think long hood, short rear deck, and an athletic stance that screams performance. Up front, we get a wide blacked-out grille with SS badging illuminated in red. LED headlights with a DRL signature resembling a racing stripe bring modern attitude to the old-school muscle vibe. The sculpted hood features dual air intakes, not just for looks, but fully functional for engine cooling. The side profile brings back that classic coupe silhouette, with flowing lines, muscular fenders, and available 20 or 21-inch forged aluminum wheels. Around back, a ducktail spoiler and quad exhausts finish the look, with taillights that echo the 1980s design but with a modern twist. Step inside, and it's clear this isn't just a retro throwback, it's a full-on tech luxury experience. Chevy gave the Monte Carlo SS a cockpit built for both cruising and carving corners. In the center is Chevy's latest 13.4-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display that can switch between classic and performance gauge styles. Here's the part you've been waiting for: what's under the hood? The 2026 Monte Carlo SS brings the thunder with a 6.2-liter supercharged LT4 V8, borrowed from the Camaro ZL1. That's right, 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque sent to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic or an optional Tremix 6-speed manual. This isn't just a straight-line beast either. With magnetic ride control, an electronic limited-slip differential, and Brembo brakes, the Monte Carlo SS handles corners like a pro. 0 to 60? Just under 3.9 seconds. Quarter mile? Low 12s. It's a modern muscle car with track day potential. So how much will this slice of American muscle set you back? Base Monte Carlo SS, starting at $49,995 SS Track Pack Edition, around $55,000, with upgraded suspension, brakes, and Aero SS Collector's Edition, limited to 1,976 units, topping out at $63,000, featuring special paint, serialized badging, and a nod to Monte Carlo's NASCAR roots. For what you're getting, retro style, modern muscle, and daily drivability, it's surprisingly competitive against cars like the Mustang Dark Horse and Dodge Charger Daytona EV. Now, it's not all sunshine and burnouts. The Monte Carlo SS, while exciting, comes with a few risks. First, weight. At over 4,100 pounds, this is no featherweight. That might make some purists nervous, especially on tight tracks. Fuel economy? Don't expect Prius numbers. Chevy hasn't released official EPA ratings, but you're likely looking at 14 to 18 mpg combined. Also, Chevy's heavy reliance on digital interfaces may turn off those who prefer analog controls. And with the automotive world shifting to EVs, the long-term future of this V8 bruiser may be short-lived. The 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS isn't just a car, it's a love letter to American performance. It captures the soul of a bygone era and injects it with 21st century muscle. It's bold, brash, and unapologetically loud. So what do you think? Is the Monte Carlo SS the comeback muscle car of the decade? Or just a nostalgic flame destined to burn out? Thanks for riding along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss another deep dive into the world of modern performance. Until next time, Keep your engines roaring and your tires smoking.